And then we're going to talk about something that everybody wants to know. So, hey, here we are, guys. Welcome to Glass Chat on Monday night. This is a Wismac Black. It's a 009 Wismac Black. And this right here, this is a piece of Spectrum 200. Holy moly, Spectrum 200 right here. So, I had a question from a customer that does stained glass as a hobby. And she said, I don't understand why the black glass cuts very easily, but when I score the white glass, I can't even hear my cutter, so I press harder. And rule number one, just because you can't hear the score, everybody, doesn't mean it's not working. White glass, okay, let's just do this. White glass is stiff, okay? Black glass is soft. Black glass, okay? Black glass is soft. You can hear the score, and I want you to hear this because I'm going to start at the top. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is no different than any other glass that you've seen Ed cut. Now I want you to listen, just hear this. Okay? Nice, flow, steady, same amount of noise, start to finish, and there's that. But now, I want you to hear this. Now, y'all know I've been cutting glass long enough. When I cut a piece of glass, I've got the same amount of pressure. It doesn't matter what it is. So here we go. Same amount of pressure, everybody. And I didn't hear a thing, all right? And if you remember, if you go back a couple of videos when we were talking about cutting textured glasses, everybody, and I told you, you don't have to push any harder on your glass cutter just because it's textured or just because you can't hear the score. Here we go again. I want you to listen to this, and Barb's got the mic turned up, and I'm sure you can hear me, and I want you to listen to absolutely. Only thing you heard is my glass cutter pop off the table and into it. But I want you to see this, y'all. This is the white. Okay? And you didn't hear a sound. One more time. Here we go. Black. White. Okay? White. Black. Okay. Your black glass has manganese in it, and I'm not sure if that's what makes it soft or not. But you could switch back if you want.
I am.
In the art glass industry or the blown glass industry, white is still a stiff color. And black is what we call a hot color or a soft color. It is as hot or as soft as cobalt blue. It gets hot right now. It stays hot, and it's very soft and pliable for an extended period of time. However, white glass, being what we call a stiff glass, will cool off rapidly, and you have a lot less working time because you don't have a working temperature to work by. Right, Barb?
That's right. That was a good demo.
I hope so. I hope everybody.
Demo. Okay. That was an awesome demo. That has been my favorite demo so far.
All right. It's a good demo.
Great,
That's good. That's a good demo. Thank